Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your BeReal account public. So guys, before going to the app, make sure that you already have an account on BeReal app. And then let's continue into your BeReal app. And then capture your BeReal. And after capturing, tap on my friends only. And then select global. Selecting the global option will send your picture to everyone in the world and your account will be public. And then tap on send and that's it. And that's how you can make your BeReal account public very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.